I'm glad it's March and it's warming up in the garage. This is the color paint that I found at Walmart. I've already painted up a few of the items. And this is the Rust-Oleum. It's not Krylon, it's called Rust-Oleum. Metallic finish. And I'm trying to paint everything that I am going to assemble later today in all copper. And I have a few of the Dollar Tree anchors. I have a few of the baskets already. I have a few of the towel holders already. So I'm going to start spray painting the little metal objects that I just showed you earlier, and then a few other things I want in copper. Let's shake it really well and let's get started. I don't need to record me spray painting because I need to do it with both hands anyways. Alright, let's continue on. Let's get these solar lights work good because the copper paint is drying out in the garage for my new solar lamps that I'm going to make for my front porch for this summer. I already have two out there. It's like a rustic double planter hooked together, but now I'm going to use the Dollar Tree wastebasket and the planter and hook them together with this solar light I picked up at Dollar General for $3.50 each. And they're really nice. They're glass, not plastic. They're glass. And we'll see how that solar light turns out once I get everything assembled. Continue with the slideshow, and thank you for stopping in with me today. Art is freedom. And here's the light. You can't see the copper yet, but the solar light is working. It's hanging on the porch. Both of them are. Real pretty copper. We'll get a picture of it when the sun comes up too.